Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable telemetry and data collection on Windows 11 computer using task scheduler. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable telemetry and data collection using task scheduler, go to search. In search, type task scheduler and you will find here task scheduler. Click on run as administrator. Task scheduler has been opened. Now click on task scheduler library, expand it, and then expand Microsoft, and then scan Windows. Now scroll down. Here you will find customer experience improvement program, and you'll find here consolidator and USB chip, and both are ready and both program is run at scheduled time. Just select the consolidator, and in right side you will find disabled. Click on disable, and the USB chip also select it and click on disable, and look, both schedules are disabled. This is the easiest way to disable telemetry and data collection on Windows 11 computer using task scheduler. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.